I've been wondering about a better way to handle errors and actually handle async operations that can fail or succeed. And other languages have beautiful constructs like Rust result. And I wonder why TypeScript not. So I started looking for and I found this package that is named TS results. It's an implementation of result monad or result object on TypeScript. And I've been playing around with that. I'm still kind of not that convinced, but it feels okay. So I have this asynchronous operation named create job and return a result. This result can be an error, that can be a Postgres error, or okay, that means that everything was okay. So if I go here, if the result is okay, I perform the other thing and I return an other okay. And where I use this, you can see here. So this is still a bit nested. I'm still playing around with this, but user have credits is a result type. So if you can, so you can see here that it returns a promise of an error or okay. So if it's an error, I can map over, so I can do this construct here and map over if there's an error, perform the error action. If it's not an error, I can just perform the success actions. Here I'm using, just because I can, TS pattern. And if it's true, then I perform the true section. This true section again perform another result action, and it's mapping over the success or the okay result. If it's false, perform the false part. I think this can be nicer. I'm still playing around as I said. So why TypeScript doesn't have this monad? Why TypeScript doesn't have the result or option construct or types? I think that are pretty nice, a better way than handle try catch or just multiple ifs. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you want to find out the libraries I'm using here, I will leave the links in the comment below. That's what I have for now. See you on the next one.